Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7. We will present regarding our business proposal. First, regarding the company overview, our company name is MITC.co. The word MITC coming from the word medic, and we transfer it into Arabic accent. So that is how the word MITC comes from, and co is referred to company. MITC.co was recently established in the early of 2020. It can be said that MITC.co is a new in the business industry. Moving on to our motto, MITC.co motto is stylish and healthy. We guarantee that we are using high quality and safety material in producing face masks. In addition, we guide our customer in choosing the right color to our customer to look stylish. Our vision is to establish the name of company itself to become well known not just in Malaysia but globally. For the mission, we provide our customer with the high quality fabric mask that is safe to use and follow the latest trend of style. Next slide is regarding the office hour. In terms of store operation days, we open every Monday to Thursday from 9:30 AM to 5 PM. On Friday, we only operate from 9:30 AM to 12:30 PM and have a long rest for Muslim men to perform their Friday prayer. And general office operate back at 2:30 PM until 5:30 PM. For the online operation hour, we operate 24 hours. Regarding the working regulation, workers need to record their attendance by using their own fingerprint. Moreover, we start working days with checking online order and end working days by checking stocks. For the MITC.co organization chart, Alif as a general manager, Khalid as a finance manager, me, Hazim, Siti NURLIYANA and LIYANA SYAZWANI as employees.
Our product uses cotton fabric as it is suitable for everyone and comfortable to wear in a long period of time. We also provide a mask filter to help in filtering the dust, as well as a pocket to help our customers change the mask filter easily by themselves. The filter need to be changed regularly for the hygiene purpose. And our mask is designed with a glow-in-the-dark paint to make it cool and fashionable during night. As we use cotton fabric, it is washable and this will save the environment as we did not use the disposable mask. Customer can choose their own preference, design and color as we provide a variety of design. Last but not least, our customer can easily buy our product as we provide a delivery service and they can just buy it through online.
For the SWOT analysis, the strength in our product lie in our fabric, which using a very high quality one. Our product also comes in various color like purple, dark and blue. It also very flexible and can be wear for both genders, male and female. For the weaknesses, our product lacks storage capacity and we also lack the manpower. Since we are in the era of online business, it creates opportunities for us and it make it easier for us to promote and sell it. The threat we are facing is that we have to face high competition from other sellers that sell the same type of face mask at a lower price. Our target customer is young adults and teenagers. Since they are very passionate in fashion and trend, they want something, a face mask that can make them look stylish and outstanding, but at the same time can keep them safe. For marketing strategy, we will be advertising our product in social media like Facebook and Instagram. We also will provide a free voucher for anyone who buy our product. In addition, we are planning in using a YouTube or Instagram influencer to promote our product. Our packaging will be in a flexible pouches that make it easier to carry around. Then the product will be delivered through delivery service like Post Laju or CityLink. Our product will be distributed through an online shopping platform such as Shopee and Lazada. Furthermore, we also will be using intermediaries like agent and dropship to sell our goods.
Let's move to the operational plan. The first thing we'll talk about is the raw materials. We have made a number of different items for our product, such as cotton fabric, the fabric elastic band, glow-in-the-dark band, and also the mask filter. And we have ensured the quality of our product, of our direct materials. The next slide is the production process. We will take some steps to achieve for our production process, girls. And the first step is we will take the orders from the customers through online shopping or our website. Our customers, they can order our items using online shopping or our website. The next step, the step 2, is we will prepare the customer's order based on the color and the size they want. The next step, step 3, when our customers order, we will start producing the fabric mask based on the customer's demanded colors and size, and then we will inspect the semi-finished product to ensure the cutting and the mask fabric is pleasant and comfortable for our customers to wear. And the next step, step 4, we will put in a box with a appropriate size after the glow-in-the-dark fabric mask has been produced by the factory, and then we will inspect by the factory for the finishing product again, and the fabric masks will be wear by our employees and checked before handing it to our customers. And the last step, we will do another final check before the fabric mask is shipped to customers to ensure that the fabric is in the best shape before it falls into the hands of our customers.
Financial plan. This part is the summary of classification. For the product cost, our company used 4 direct material. The first one is cotton fabric. Total cost is 5,628 ringgit 96 cent. Second, fabric elastic band. Total cost is 750 ringgit and 53 cent. For glow in the dark paint, total cost is 11 ringgit 72 cent. And lastly, for the mask filter, the total cost is 469 ringgit 8 cent. For direct labor, the total cost is 2,286 ringgit. For manufacturing overhead, there are 2 variable expense, which is utilities and sewing thread. The total cost is Rm 1,143 ringgit and 228 ringgit 60 cent respectively. For fee expense, we have 4. The first one is rent expense. The total cost is 7,600. Next, machinery maintenance. The total cost is Rm 1,520. And for the depreciation, the total cost is 1,200. And for salary, total cost is Rm 8,000. The period cost, selling and administrative expense. For variable cost, which is internet expense, the total cost is Rm 1,110. For fixed expense, the total cost advertising is Rm 800 per year. The total cost for packaging is 400, and for the delivery, the total cost is 800 per year. Total product cost is 9 ringgit 60 cent, which include Rm 8 ringgit of direct material, 1 ringgit for direct labor, and 60 cent for manufacturing overhead. The selling price formula is cost plus markup percentage multiplied by cost. The markup is 112.5%, so our selling is 20 ringgit and 40 cent. CVP analysis, the contribution margin is 10 ringgit 30 cent. The break-even point in unit sale 1,973 unit, and break-even for sale is Rm 40,245 ringgit. The target profit analysis, our company target profit is 10,000, so the unit sales to attain the profit is 2,044 unit, which is equal to 60,058 ringgit.
For the sales budget, our selling price is 20 ringgit for 40 cent. For budgeted sales per unit, for the quarter 1 is 500, quarter 2 is 540, quarter 3 is 570, and quarter 4 is 610. And for the total budget sales is 45,288 units. For the expected cash collection, our company policy is 70% of sale collected in the quarter of sale, and for the remaining 30% of sale collected in the next quarter of sale. So for our expected cash collection, the total is 41,554 ringgit and 80 cents.
Our production budget, we set the ending inventory will be 10% from the next quarter of budgeted sales unit. And we don't have any opening inventory for the first quarter. So the total required production for this year is 2,286 units. For all direct materials, we said the desired ending inventory will be 10% of the next quarter production needs, and we have no beginning inventory. So for the first direct material, which is cotton fabric, we use 938 centimeters and it costs 6 ringgit per unit. So the total cost for cotton fabric is 5,628 ringgit and 96 cents. Next, we use the fabric elastic band for the mask loop, and the total for the whole year is 938 centimeters and it costs 80 cents per unit. So the total cost of
elastic band
is 750 ringgit and 53 cents. Next, for the mask filter, we use only one mask filter per unit and it will take 2,345 units and it will cost 20 cents per unit. So the total cost for this material is 469 ringgit and 8 cents. For the last direct material, which is glow in the dark paint, we only use 5 gram per unit and it costs 1 ringgit per unit. So the total cost for this material is 11 ringgit 72 cents. The cash disbursement, we said 50% of the purchases will be paid in the quarter of purchase and another 50% will be paid for the next quarter of purchase. We don't have any beginning balance, and our total cash disbursement for the whole year is 5,916 ringgit and 17 cents.
For the direct labor time per unit is 0.1 and hourly wage rate is 10 ringgit. So our total direct labor cost is 2,286 ringgit.
For manufacturing overhead, the total cash disbursement is 70,257 ringgit. Our company ending finished good inventory is 791 ringgit and 93 cents.
For our selling and administrative budget, we conclude our variable sale and admin rate up to 0.5 per unit, with the total fixed expense of 500 ringgit per each quarter. Our fixed costs include our advertising costs, packaging costs and delivery costs, which amounted to 500 ringgit. Overall total selling and administrative expense for our business is Rm 3,110 ringgit. For the cash budget, we have the beginning balance capital of 5,000 ringgit. Each one of us will contribute 1,000 ringgit per person as a stakeholders. Based on our cash budget, our ending cash balance is increasing rapidly from quarter 1 to 4. That means our business is a success and we will gain profit from our product. Overall ending cash balance for the cash budget is amounted to 14,937 ringgit and 71 cents.
And let's go to the budget statement of comprehensive income. Our total sales is 45,288, and we will less the cost of goods sold 26,638, and we will get the gross margin 18,650. After that, we will less the selling and administrative expenses 3,110, and we will get the net operation income of 15,540.
And lastly, for the budgeted statement of financial position, both total current asset and total liabilities and equities is 21 ringgit 437.